So here's the story. One product owner came to me and said, I want our new app to look sleek and modern with this new cool style. And they showed me references for minimalism, neomorphism, and skeuomorphism all at once. They even highlighted this jaw-dropping strings interface and how impressed they were by it. But here's the twist. They also mentioned this is going to be a super expensive, high-end product with a gazillion features to be released in 2 months. To me, as a design agency owner with over 500 user interfaces designed, it sounded like style choice is unidentified, probably some personal preference bias, and we don't know what to choose with this product, but we are really anxious about this competitor and want to beat them. That's why I want to share some insights about different design styles with you, starting with Neomorphism, and why you, right, you, a product owner, a product manager, marketing manager, or software developer, entrepreneur, might consider this style for you. Neomorphism is this trendy design style that blends the best of both worlds. Skeuomorphism, where things look like real objects, and flat design. But here's the kicker. While it's found its perfect home in the audio software world, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution for every plugin or app. Before I share information about this style, write down in the comments your 3 keywords that you associate with this style, and we'll compare them with mine and my criteria as well towards this style. Go ahead, do it now. My personal opinion on this style used to be far from positive. The style was an underdog, fresh and eager to conquer the world, and when it got blended with others, I finally got to enjoy it despite its flaws. Neomorphism, while visually stunning, comes with serious usability and accessibility flaws. Those soft shadows and low contrast, they might look great in a demo, but in a real-world use they can confuse users, especially those with visual impairments. This design feature can be used intentionally to slow users down for aesthetic effect or to mimic a tangible, soft touch feel, but it can also accidentally replicate physical objects in ways to confuse users. Accessibility is key. Ignoring it, well, for the sake of aesthetics, can alienate part of your user base, which is never a good idea. On a flip side, Neomorphism is all about creating fake 3D through shadows and highlights, making elements look like they are either popping out or sinking into the interface. But done right, it gives a soft, clean and modern feel. Neomorphism got popular from a need to create curved, almost tangible surfaces using raster and vector-based software, making it possible to deliver UIs faster and more cost-efficiently, read cheaper. In fact, it started showing up in audio software before the style even had a name. We just didn't know it was Neomorphism back then. Oh, and the emergence of Figma contributed to that significantly. Many product managers overlook critical factors when jumping on Neomorphism bandwagon. From a brand perspective, if your product is focused on speed, precision, high-tech performance, Neomorphism might feel like a mismatch. Also, this style can blend well with some designs, but can make it almost impossible to solve key goals like achieving a retro feel, creating the right depth, or effectively emulate real-world devices. Okay, but there are ways to make Neomorphism work. First, consider your brand. What are the core associations of your brand and do they align with the qualities of Neomorphism? If you are going for a modern, playful and sleek, Neomorphism could add that and contribute to it. But consider my tags: soft, read slow, and cheaper, soft, slow and cheaper. Next, think about consistency. What if your next product launches after Neomorphism trend fades? Will your design still hold up? Or Think about the technical implementation. Do you have the budget and resources for 3D technology, or can you smoothly incorporate neomorphism without overcomplicating things? Finally, emulate your product structure. Will neomorphism enhance or hinder the user experience? These companies like Baby Audio, UGM, and Output managed to strike the right balance between style, functionality, and brand alignment, which is why their neomorphic designs really shine. Let's look at this case study. Baby Audio's Super VHS plugin nailed neomorphism. Their use of soft shadows depth didn't just make the interface look cool, it actually enhanced the user engagement. The buttons are fun, the layout is clear, and the neomorphic elements complement the overall aesthetics, making the plugin both fun and easy to use. From the UI design agency owner perspective, Baby Audio consistently used neomorphic elements across the product line. This allowed them to stand out from competitors and skillfully blend the style with others, keeping the UI feature light and even make the software look great in 3D renders for marketing. Honestly, if this plugin were tangible, it would be a fun toy. Now that you've seen how different neomorphism can be, I want you to have this takeaway. Any style reference, especially neomorphism, have these elements of trend, visual associations, technical implementation costs. It's time for you to choose your criteria for your software. Is it about enhancing your brand, improving user experience, making yourself pleased, or making smart design decisions? Don't get caught up in the hype without considering if it really fits your product. Do you agree with my tags for neomorphism? Soft, slow, and sometimes cheap. Let me know your associations in the comments below. And if you want to explore other design styles, feel free to share examples you'd like me to break down. And until the next time.